Okay, for the first part, you just draw lines across. These are dark enough this time. And then you turn your paper and do them the same the other way. The lighter the better because it's easier to erase. Then you skip the first section and then you put an X, skip, X, skip, X. You do the same thing down. X, skip, X, skip, X. These are now your ribbons for your project. The ribbons are going to be woven, so they're going to look like that once we start erasing. So to do that, you want to put a top and a bottom because those are the ones you're going to erase. Skip it, and then side to side, then skip, top and bottom. You go down to the next row, you have to do the opposite of what you just did. So you would do side to side, top and bottom, side to side, and then do the next row. And then those would be the parts that you erase. I'm just going to erase a few of them just so you get the general idea, and then show you the shading. If you erase a line, you're not supposed to just draw it back in. And you want to erase your X's as well. Okay, I'm going to stop there. After you do all of them, you're going to go through and you're going to shade. When you shade, you have to think of these like bridges. Like if a bridge was on top of the other bridge, where would the shadow be? And the shadow is always underneath and the light always hits the top. So this would be the top of the bridge, and the shadow is where the line is at. So that'll be the darkest spot. I like to use the side of my pencil when I shade. And then you're going to move and make a value change. So you're going to go from dark to a little bit lighter, and then the lightest is in the very, very middle. And then you do it on the other end. This one I didn't erase, so it might be confusing. And generally you want to make your pencil go the blackest it will go. And then I do the same thing here. And then do the dark and go down to the light and back to the dark.